Out here, it's not just about the game, it's about the fire within. To push harder, play stronger, and never give up.
When my tower falls, I build it again because every block makes me stronger.
Innovation begins with curiosity and the courage to ask, what if?
I paint what I see and what most can't because my imagination has no limits.
Every kick, every run teaches me to fight for more. Out here, I don't just play, I rise.
We're feeding hope, one grain at a time, because even the smallest act can change the world.
I build a new world in my mind. My stories remind me that I can dream, imagine, and make others believe.
Every time I step under the spotlight, I get to live 1,000 lives, and in each one, I can become whoever I choose to be.
One beat, one layer, one dream at a time. Every sound tells me I can create something unforgettable.
When I sing, I don't just use my voice, I let my heart speak. Every note says, I can.
Science isn't just formulas, it's discovery, it's wonder, it's me saying, I can explore the unknown.
Every day is a chance to learn, to try, and to believe.
I can do it.